Okay, so today is April 11th, and we're going to take a quick hike up to Lake Louise from Lake Louise. So I'm just starting outside of, there's a bunch of residents here, accommodation for staffing, and then right here is the compound for Parks Canada. And as you can see, there's a railroad right in front of us. There's a gate here. This is a helicopter pad. There's one on each side of the highway. It's the big H. And we're going to post hole up here. So I think I'll shut the camera off. Unfortunately, it's quite windy today, so sound's going to be terrible, more terrible than usual. Anyway, we're up on the railroad tracks. It's double track here. And this is the old Lagan railway station, I guess. It's been converted into a restaurant. Awesome views here for sure. And over here is the ski hill. Yeah, nice views. We'll just take this trail down. Maybe we'll have a quick look at the CPR cars there. Yeah, I guess this is some kind of an exhibit now. It is set up for use as a eating establishment. I mean, it's got some air conditioning and some exhaust fans. Yeah, so it's the old dining cars. I don't believe you can go inside. I've tried in the summertime. The doors were locked, so I don't think they allow you in there, but I guess at one time you could. A little bit of a different view of it, Lake Louise Station. And this is a fairly high-end restaurant now. We'll have a different look at it. And so it's called the Station Restaurant. Lunch is 12 to 4, dinner 5 to 8:30. Reservations is a good idea. Anyway, we'll go down here. It's a fairly nice large parking lot here, and there's the Bow River right over here. Trailhead takes you along the Bow River, and then there's the tram line, and the tram line I may come back on. I'm not sure. We'll have a quick look and see what kind of conditions we have up here. I don't imagine it's any different than the rest of the trail. Water gauging station. There's the mighty Bow River. So I'm not real keen on coming down the tram line or the river trail because the bears are out. The big boss just came out on Monday, so there was a black bear spotted near the town site the other day also, so they're out. I'd rather not run into them. Next step, just walk this road down to the bridge and we'll get onto trail. So this is really cool. This is parked right near Lake Louise. Got a bunch of diesel engines and a snow pusher ready to go if they ever need it. It sits here and runs all winter. Very cool. This is a bridge. Technically, I guess it's over the bow, but right here is the pipestone coming into it. Pipestone's substantial. And here's the bow. And we're just going to go up here. We've got some new infrastructure here. Some blinking lights. It's going to get us across onto the trail to Lake Louise. Yeah, so here it is. Big city in Lake Louise. We've got crosswalks with lights. And then we've got the electrified campground. So there we are, Lake Louise Trail. We're going to Lake Louise itself. 3.1 clicks from here. I got snowshoes, I got spikes. We'll see how the trail conditions are. Just came up this steep icy section here. I was lucky I made it without any help from snowshoes or cleats. So here we are gonna go under the road and the trail continues. Oh man. Don't wanna really post hole, so you gotta stay right in the middle. There's a better look at the ski hill. We're just going to go around this hill on this trail, and we should come out to the Great Divide Trail parking lot. And this is the Great Divide. They're calling it the Great Divide, but it's referring to the old Highway 1A. It's not part of the Great Divide Trail. Although it does actually cross the Great Divide, the actual divide, so it's beautiful, it's sunny, great views. So we've just come up to the Great Divide parking lot. There's some signage. We've got a kilometer to get to the lake. Tram line junction was 900 meters back there, and the village is 2.5 clicks. So it's about 3.5 clicks we're saying on this trail from the village. And we got to cross the road again, and here we have the flashing lights. We're right at the road crossing, parking lot for the Lake Louise itself. And so we're going to go across the road, go through the parking lot, get up to the lake, have a look at it. And here we have some more flashy lights to help us get across the road. And yeah, Lake Louise is stunning. And then we have the chateau. And somehow they're allowed to build onto it. Funny how that works. But anyway. Of course we have all this kind of nonsense going on. No public access. How's that? Public park, isn't it? I don't know. What do I know? Yeah, unless you're fucking a guest, you can't come in here. Well, we're at the intersection of the tram line. I think I'm going to take it. Here's the Louise Creek. This is the creek coming out of Lake Louise. I put my spikes on. Feels a little sticky right now. I'll give it a try. It's been packed down for skiers, so I'm hoping I don't break through. There's been somebody on here, so yeah, let's give the tram line a try. We'll come out at the railway, the old railway station. Here's a great viewpoint from the tram line. Right now we're looking at the ski hill. And you can see part of the village down there. Here's the viewpoint. It's awesome. There's the ski hill, mountain range. There's where we came from. Here's the Bow River. Here's our connection to the bridge and the railroad station Restaurante. This trail's been pretty good. I've been sinking in a couple inches, but this last bit has been pretty crusty. It's not so bad, but the beginning was a little bit soft. And that's it. That's a hike. Nothing spectacular, but got the wheels moving and get ready for bigger and better things.